Hey everyone, it's Desiree. I am here with Spellbinders, kicking off day 1 with the card kit of the month for November of 2022, and it is called Time Offline. As always, we're going to start with the reveal of the contents that will be in your kit when you receive it, and then we will move on into the collaging of our 10 cards. As always, you get your card that tells you what comes into your kit and also some inspiration. Here are the cardstocks. So you get greens and reds and oranges, a white, a light blue, and a piece of mirror gold cardstock. You get your 10 card bases, which are standard A2 size, which are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and 10 envelopes. You get a square of double-sided foam squares, some double-sided tape, some iridescent blue sequins, and a 6 by 6 paper pad. You get 2 designs or 2 sheets for every design. And remember, this is a paper pad. So this paper, I'm going to say, is about 60 pounds, like I always do. It is not cardstock, but it is perfect for layering and creating mats for your cards. You can see there's some great designs, rustic, very outdoorsy. You get some chipboard stickers. You will have some puffy sticker sentiments and embellishments, some foam sentiments as well, and of course, my favorite is the die cuts. I am so inspired by all of these die cuts, and it's something that I do focus on when it comes to this kit. We're all inspired differently by different items. These are mine. Here's our stamp set. We have a cute camper, and then our die set for our kit as well. Now, I will not be doing anything with the stamp or the die in this video, but rather I will be focusing on the collaging. Like I said before, I am very much inspired by this kit with the die cuts and the type of cards that you can create with those die cuts. I do really enjoy collaging. I like the look. You don't always have to add your double-sided foam squares. Just by layering them up, and you have not only the flat paper die cuts, but you also have the chipboard pieces that you can collage with as well. So that's what I'll be doing for the 10 cards. I do apologize, my voice is scratchy. So for the rest of this, I will be just playing some music, and you can sit back and watch how I collage these cards back together, and then I'll come back in on the end. So enjoy. I hope everyone enjoyed the 10 cards that I created featuring the Spellbinders kit of the month for November 2022 called Time Offline. Some beautiful images and some great sentiments to go along. The product that I use, this kit, will be linked down below in the video description. And I'm also providing links to their blog for even more inspiration. Of course, their store as well, and all of the other club kits that are available. They just keep growing with what they have available, and they also mix some of them up if you're interested in more than just one. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell too, and hopefully YouTube will notify you when the next video is live. Get ready, everyone. We are getting closer to the end of the year, and we all know what that means. Desiree goes crazy and adds all kinds and lots of videos, so I hope you enjoy them all. Enjoy the art you create. Have fun, try new things, but remember what is absolutely most important. Always be creative, and I'll talk to you in the next one, guys. Take care.